Hello everyone, I am Rachel Cabilin from Group 6 and today we will tackle about the path analysis. So what is path analysis? Path analysis is a statistical method used in research to examine causal relationships among variables or between variables. So it is an important correlation-based method that can be used when subjects are measured on several behaviors. Path analysis is a helpful method when we want to understand how different things related to each other. It's especially useful when we are looking at multiple behaviors in a study. And instead of just seeing if things are connected, path analysis helps us understand how they might influence each other. In path analysis, researchers create models of possible causal sequences. Researchers create models that represent possible causal sequences or pathways between variables. These models typically include a set of variables and hypothesized directional relationships or paths between them. The aim is to understand how changes in one variable might lead to changes in another variable through direct and indirect pathways. For example, in a psychology, a researcher might use path analysis to investigate the relationship between stress, coping strategies, and mental health. The model could include variables such as stress as the predictor, coping strategies as a mediator, and mental health as the outcome variable. And by analyzing the paths, researchers can evaluate the direct and indirect effects of stress on mental health and the role of coping strategies in mediating this relationship. Path analysis uses beta weights to construct path models outlining possible causal sequences for the related behavior. Researchers use beta weights to build these path models, which basically show the strength of the connection between different behavior or traits. So on beta weights in path analysis, it indicates how much one variable, like trait or behavior, influences another variable. The positive beta weight show a positive relationship, meaning pag ang usa na variable nag-increase, the other variable tends to increase as well. While a negative beta weights naman, it shows a negative relationship. Pag ang usa na variable nag-increase, the other variables tends to decrease. Path models can be very complex when there are many interrelated characteristics and behaviors to be considered. Each path may have many steps. Path models can get complicated because they try to show how many different things are connected in a study. For example, di ba pag nag-draw kita hit lines between handamo na mga dots, so nagiging messy siya or malipong hiya pag-intindi. Similarly, path models deals with many interrelated characteristics or behaviors, and each connection between them can involve multiple steps to fully understand how they are related or connected. Researchers who use a path analysis approach are always very careful not to frame their models in terms of causal statements. Tungod kay an internal validity han path analysis is low because nakabase siyahan correlational data. That's all. Thank you everyone for listening.